What do you do when your yarn has no label, but your project still needs the right weight? There is a simple method called WPI, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. WPI stands for wrap per inch. Wrap per inch means wrapping your yarn around a roller for 1 inch and counting how many wraps fit without stretching. Lay your yarn flat and wrap it snugly around the roller for exactly 1 inch. Make sure you don't overlap the yarn and also don't pull it tight. Now, count how many wraps fit into that inch. After counting, go ahead and check the wraps per inch chart. If you count 9 to 12 wraps per inch, that usually means worsted weight yarn. Each yarn weight has a wrap per inch range. Instead of guessing, you can match your number to the correct category. Please save this video for later use. If you're wondering why the yarn weight matters, I'll show you one of my finished projects. As you can see, the size started reducing when I used a different yarn weight on the upper side. The thickness of the fabric changed too. It's light on the upper part and thicker on the lower part. Wrap per inch is especially helpful when your yarn label has no yarn weight, you're using leftover yarn, you're substituting in a pattern. Also, when you are crocheting with double strands and need to estimate weight. If this video helped you, please subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet lessons, and don't forget to save this video for future reference. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.